Happy to have you guys in our live stream today. Let's get the link sent and we will be off to the races. Little reversal pattern here at VWAP. Okay. All right. Make sure you guys like the live stream if you're watching the replay. And let's get to work. Nice. I don't believe there's any news, so let's see what we want to do with this here. Okay. Go check the news here. ForexFactory.com. President Trump speaks is tentative, so I'm not gonna waste time on that. We'll just get to work. Okay. All right. Hope everybody's having a great day. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Helps build the page and ultimately lets me know what kind of content you guys really like and enjoy. So I want to keep building that. Okay. Similar to what we've seen in the past here, talking about cumulative delta volume, sorry. Looking at this, I've got price not necessarily making a new high, and I have, but basically my delta volume is trending down. We call this like divergence. So I've got price up here that's high, and I've got price similar levels, but my delta is lower. So I'd be looking for shorts at this point, kind of waiting around to see what price wants to give us. We're just at VWAP, so it's going to be a little tricky regardless of what we do. So we'll kind of wait, watch, and see what happens there. All right, let's get to work. Morning, Remy. Jesse, what's going on? Morning, boys. Happy to have you guys in the chat. Well, Apex, why would you log me out? I'm trading you, why would you log me out? Not missing anything, no, it's okay. Oh, buddy, I'm authorized, let me tell you. All right. So unfortunately, not a whole lot's going to happen here. I need to go to Tradeovate and I don't think I could find VWAP last time. I'll leave it alone, whatever. We'll just wait, kind of, and see what's going on here. Whole lot going on. There you go. It has been an interesting week. More to do. Hopefully later today I'll have some updates for our AI solution. Hoping that can be solved today, or at least started. And then over the weekend I'll probably test it on Bitcoin, just because that will be what's trading. And Bitcoin has been quite interesting these past couple days. So dipped into the 70s, now we're out. MSTR is at 245. I don't really like, that's too high for me still. And crypto has a lot more to go. I think about going down. So today could be an update, we'll see. I got price moving up here. Same little divergence as before, right? We have price, kind of what we're looking at, but price is about even. So if we get price to really expand, we can look for a long. I'm just going to be very patient and well, I'll be very quick with whatever trades that I take here. So we'll watch and see what happens. Okay. If we get a decent pullback, maybe I'll go long. Let's see what we got. I'll go buy right there. And then we'll do a stop here. Good. Take 80 bucks on that. Solid start. I kind of want to buy it again. Buy right there. This one might not work out for me as well. Let's see. Yeah, and still like price going up here. I want to see if I can squeeze out a couple $100 on this trade. Well, in total, so another 120 bucks or so. I might be in too soon for this move, or this move might have been over. That might have been all the value we get. So let's see. Okay. Total candle reversal is what I'm kind of expecting. Let's see if this bad boy can get green and long enough green that I can move my stop. Okay, stopped adjusted slightly. I'll move it back. Wonderful. Good. All right, so 168 so far on that total move here. Could have given this maybe a little bit more room, but not too worried about that. We'll just have to kind of let it be what it's going to be. Okay. Up almost 200 bucks for today. 8 pennies away. So we're really just trying to squeeze out some margin here. Like we're not really trying to, there's not a whole, at this point, there isn't a whole lot of room for us to make a ton of money on these big moves, these big candles. And so we're just gonna have to chill out and wait a second. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, I don't mind price going a little higher. I just think that it can make sense for us to go short at these highs up here. But I don't want to, I don't know, I don't want to get in the way of whatever price might give us. Okay. It is. What's going on, Jay? What's going on, my friend? We shall see. Oh, there's price popping up for us. Don't know if I have enough in me to go long on it right now, so I'll have to wait. Kind of missed it looking at the chat. My bad. Nice little push here. It's good. Okay, that's my opportunity right there. Let's go long right there. If price gets to even, we'll have a really solid move here. So let's see. And not even, I mean, not my even. I'm talking about its candle even. So let's see. We might stop just below that previous candle. Okay, big wick action here. New candle. Test that previous candle low. Does it hold? Nope. Maybe. Let's find out. Okay. Not ultra willing to take more chances on this one. Yeah. Lost 200, 300 bucks on that one. 200 bucks on that one. All right. Price got us there. Curious to know what price wants to do here. Trading around VWAP is just so difficult. So difficult. Let's see if I can. Band one. Okay, there's price. If we can trade outside of the deviation bands of VWAP, that typically gives us a bit more of some smoother price action. So we'll see what we get. Kind of like price coming down here though. Let's go sell right here. We'll go a stop up here. Let's just see what we get. Okay. Am I gonna be wrong on both sides of this one? Yep, sure am. Damn. All right, my bad. Still like, I don't know if I love price going higher than it currently has. So I still like my spot here, but didn't get enough room, I guess. Which would probably, which means we're probably too heavy on some of these moves, but that's okay. All right, we'll keep it rolling. Okay. Again, some divergence right here. We've got this here. We have price making a new high, but my volume is lower. And so I'm cautious on this one. We can look for a, I wanted to go long off of that, but I'll wait. Probably was the wrong move, but I'll wait. Hmm. Maybe not. Let's find out. Okay. If delta gets higher than previously, I'm okay with taking a long off of this. I just know we're going to have a huge amount of wicks. So let's just see what happens here with this. Okay. Patiently waiting here. I don't know if I love price yet. Let's say this previous wick is probably a decent spot. Um, we'll buy 6 there. We can put a stop down here too. 30 points away. I don't know if I want to touch that. Let's see. That was close. We either get it or we don't. There we go. We're in the trade now. Just stop order here. Okay, let's see. Price is trying. Hmm. We're close. Our stop is really close. I picked a wonderful spot, but we're threatening a lot. I think we're gonna get hit here. Damn. Okay, nice reversal back down. Okay, cool. All right. I think I'm game for a short here. I think Price has tried this a lot. I think I'm ready for a short. I could be wrong, but let's see. Okay, so my stop. I'm not really getting Price to extend very much. Small profit there. Not really getting Price to extend too far. We down 4, 5. Okay, no problem. Battle back. Hmm. We're holding this first deviation from VWAP, so that's interesting. See how this one works out. Again, we're just trying to kill some time before we get our AI stuff back, and then we'll really have something to look forward to or look at. Look at. Okay, there goes price. I've kind of been wrong on this whole thing, so okay. Yeah, going long over here makes sense. Take a long right there. right above even. Okay, I'll take a couple bucks there. Long again here. Stop just below this previous wick. Partial to even. Let's see. Here we go. Better. Good. I'll go long off of this too. I'm gonna keep taking longs off of this. Previous wick low. Nice. Okay, we're out of that trade too. All right. Battling back from down 5, now we're down 366. Okay, a couple good scalps there. Just not a whole lot really to speak on right now. Price is not trying to go back to VWAP, that's for sure, but it is it could be a dog fight here. That looks very bearish to me. Ah, I missed it. Ah. Let's see. So we threatened and we tried. We didn't get there. Okay, well, we'll just have to sit this one out. Because I would have liked to capture this move. Like, that'd have been cool, but it happened really fast, A, and we didn't get the entry we needed, B. So, but now I've got this low here, and I don't really know what to do with it. I have no idea what to do with it. Okay. All right, so it looks like I've got price trying to make a push. Oh, this looks like a short to me. It just looks like price is much better off lower than higher, but we'll watch for this next candle here. Let's see what we got. This is like these are like very strong bottoms, but I don't know how I feel about. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Okay. All right. Let's see. It's kind of what I'm seeing. All right. So then a short is what I like, but I don't know where I want to place it just yet. Maybe up here. With the stop up here. see. See if we can get filled. I don't know. I don't know if we will. Okay, we're about 13 points out, 10 points out, so we're pretty close. Okay, we're in the trade now. See if I misread this one. Find out. It's pushing. See if it comes back down to us or if we're going to be in a long, should be in a long trade here. Let's find out. I prefer it went down, but I think price wants to move up here. Yeah. Okay, so we got in the way of a nice push here. Read volume wrong for sure. Should have been a long. All right. We'll try to get it back here then. Let's see. Let's go buy right there. Stop right there. Okay, good. Try to get some of those dollars back. Good grief. All right, nice little top there. All right, so we got our winners here are certainly not as big as our loss. So we gotta change that. Okay. I think I still like price going up here. I just don't know where to end. I'm not gonna enter just yet, but 5 something. You gotta do better. Got to do better. Hmm. Go buy right there. This one's aggressive because I don't know if price is ready to go back up yet. I think I've got a pretty good spot here, but I could be very wrong. So let's see. Let me make this bigger so I can place my stop easier. Okay, good, good. Nice. Okay, about 170 on that one. Good. Nice little trade there. We got the right spot. But now it looks like price is maybe halting for a second, so we'll do the same. Waited for the pullback on that one pretty nicely. It's quite big. All right. think I like a long off of this here. It's an aggressive entry. Okay. Battling back a little bit. Okay, entry right there. Let's see, good spot. Okay, it got hit. Let's go buy again right there. This one might be a little bit too aggressive. So I'm okay if our stop gets hit here, but let's see. Probably could have waited. I probably should enter right there. Like that'd be a much better spot, obviously. Let's see. Even, good, good. Okay, we got hit. Paddling back a little bit. My gut says go long, but I just can't pull the trigger again on it. I don't know why, but okay. I'm a sell right there. Can't explain why I felt that way. I just do. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see. I don't think I am though. Yeah. Okay. Wrong direction. Done that a couple times now. Let's see. Okay, absorbs all that. Okay. All right. That was stupid. Okay. I think I would want to go buy right there. So like below previous candle low. Feels like the right spot for me. Might be too aggressive or too conservative, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, probably too conservative on that. Probably a little too conservative. Yeah. All right. So now we got price coming down. I thought we would get price to roll back. I was too early on it. And so when we get the AI signals back, or we can get it set it up and everything, we'll be able to kind of mark it. So we might get a sell signal up here somewhere, but we would want to mark it as maybe a little early, depending on which candle we got. So let's say we got like a sell here, like that would be maybe decent, maybe early. I don't know how I'd mark that one. So we'll see as we get the data in. Okay, so no trade for me on this candle. Got price kind of breaking this delta structure here. So let's see if we get low here or if we get price to hold. Let's see. Don't really know what I want to do here just yet. Looks like shorts can make more sense right now, but here's VWAP down here. Here's our first deviation band of VWAP, so I'm not short just yet. Okay, our price clearly coming down. Probably should have been in a short right there. Probably could have caught that pop and done something with it, but okay. Price might start flattening out here. Man, ATR is just crazy high. Okay, we ate up that previous wick. That's nice. And so let's see what price wants to do here. I've got this level here being pretty strong. Wick, wick, wick. Kind of feel like a level right in here makes sense to go long off of, but I'm just gonna wait. Okay, well that's nice. Okay, price making a nice argument for why it should be coming down, not up. I agree. I'm with it. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a reversal here and go short. I'll go right there. Don't want to be late to this one. I think price has a chance to really run. But in doing so, I missed out on probably 6 points. So it's going to be pretty tough. Let's go right there as our stop. That feels kind of far away, but should be okay. Let's find out here. Can price just halt right here? We'll see. This could be a 2 candle trade. Let's see what we get. Damn, motherfucker. All right. Interesting here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, a bit too early on that trade, but I'm wondering if price is going to keep coming down or We're gonna keep rolling back up. Kind of looking at this level here, 687. Okay. And I'm honestly looking at this right here too, this high right here, and saying, okay, what does price want to do with this area here, below or above? Either way, I'm good, but I want to know which way we want to go here. Hmm. One second. Man, we really did have price halt right here. That's crazy. See what we got. See what we got. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the live stream. If you're new around here, subscribe. Should have some more fun and fresh stuff coming out here. Okay, let's go short right there. Okay, let's go stop right here. Every time I look down, I feel like price just blasts off. All right, it's right there. Nice. I feel like we could have squeezed a lot more out of that one. We got room, we got work to do here. But so we made a new low barely, and then price didn't really like it, so we're pushing back. Okay, I'm pretty even on delta volume. We're fighting back into this range. Fine. It's been ugly. Price action has very, very ugly. Okay. Just feels like price wants to go back up from here. If we get price to extend down, I probably will go long, but until then, we'll chill. Oh, okay. I'll buy that. If you're gonna give me it, I'll take it. That was fast. Let's see if price can hold here, or if it can't. Let's find out. Right above even. Good. Took a small victory there. Ideally, getting in down here would have made a lot more sense for that position. basically a price just flat. So kind of here and here on volume. Let's see. Okay, I like a short off of that. Let's go sell right there. Put a stop up here. Oh, attacking me fast. Watch out. Okay, let's see if price can hold here. I'm giving it quite a bit of room, so if it can't, then it is what it is. That was extremely close. There, okay. All right. Well, damn. Getting our ass cooked today. That's all right. Okay, so price not really doing much volume wise, but it is on price action. Okay. So we're really fighting this basically first VWAP deviation band here. We're really fighting that. We're holding the hell out of that. But I don't know if we have enough juice to go back up. We are just holding this low. So that would tell me that price probably wants to pop this and go lower, but we are holding it quite well. All right, there goes price. Not really doing a whole lot. We'll chill for just a second, maybe a candle or two. We'll come back to it. We'll get ourselves back to it. Shit. Okay, got price building here. Let's go buy right there. Maybe a kind of aggressive here, but I stop up here a little bit. See if price can kind of break this little structure here and run higher. Kind of thinking something above this wick up there, that 25 level. Okay, stop being moved. Good. Guarantee some profit. Okay, but certainly not enough. I'll buy again right there. That's probably maybe a little too aggressive, but we'll take it. There we go. There's the pop we're looking for. Awesome. Good trade there. Let's go buy again right here. Stopped out. Buy again. Power stop right there. Okay, we gave back some of that profit, but okay, we're trading back. Give me a buy again right here. I'm not buying that price is just done going up from here. Whoa, okay. Should have bought it. Give me a buy again right here. Let's see what we got. I don't know if I believe you, price. Just don't know. Maybe I should, but I just think price is going to pop here again. But damn, stop got hit. Oh shit, I got blown out of this account. Wrong reset. Well, I won't be shorting or going long off of this move here again. Won't be doing that. That's hella funny. That's hella funny. All right, I'm not going to do that again. Learn my lesson. What does volume say though? And again, we're just killing some time before we get our updates back for the for our AI signals. It's really what I would love to. I can just transition this to cash. It doesn't matter. It's really what we're waiting on here. So just hang tight, hanging around. We tried the chop. We tried to. This whole that move was huge, by the way. How many points was that? Good God, what 47 points? So we caught a couple of good profits off of it, or maybe one profit off of this little move right there. That was at 946. We caught something there. We're not yet, but we really didn't get a whole lot else. So let's see. We had price make a huge move and then kind of chill. All right. So we'll maybe have to wait and see ourselves. We're not really getting any strong trend yet. Nothing that I would, be okay with trading, I guess. Got smoked though. Okay. Kind of have price sitting here. This is interesting. If we get volume to like surpass this, we could be looking for a nice short. Like we got cumulative volume here, but price is rolling here. I don't know. I don't know if I know I've got buyers here for sure, but I don't know if I like price getting above this level here. We'll sell into that. This is aggressive. We'll put it at the top of here. Every time I've gone against the reversal of candle, I've gotten smoked. This could be no different. Let's find out. Okay, price threatening lower. 14 bucks. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. So what I read as potentially price coming down is not the case. Okay. Okay. So volume above where price was, but price is even. This is interesting. I don't know how to read that. My assumption is we're going to come back down, but I don't know if I want to get in front of this. So as you guys can kind of see here, cumulative volume, delta volume, way higher, but price is basically even with where it was before. And so typically we would say, I'm probably looking for a short, something like that, like a reversal, a slowdown of price. But it doesn't, I don't know if we're going to get that here. I don't know if we're going to get that. So there's a little pullback. Man, tough one here. Let's see if price can clear this high of these recent candles and hold. If it can, cool. If it can't, all right. Have our answer. Okay, there goes price. That's kind of what we were anticipating before. Let's go sell right there with a stop up here. I don't know if we're going to be able to maintain this one here. Let's see. Makes a new high, makes a new high, we're out. I'm ready for it. Yeah, smoked. Okay. Down 160. All right. Okay, so we got to stop doing that. Going against the grain. It's not working for us. Okay. Cleared that previous high. Okay, good. Here's kind of where we are delta wise. So, oops. Probably going to recapture that. Okay. I'm going to go long off of this here. I'm not excited about this, but I think I've got a shot at price trying to recapture this high. And so let's see. Okay. Wow. Excellent placement on the trail there. Let's see if we can do something with it. All right, not bad. Good little trade there. Probably had a little bit more room to go. We just didn't give it enough space to operate, but that's fine. We captured a lot of this candle, so that we'll take that. We'll take that. Let's go 8. I'll up our risk here a little bit. Reason for it is we got ATR down just a little bit lower than it has been. So we're at 25 and dropping, which is fine. It's kind of what it looks like on our chart here. We've eaten up, we've gotten basically price move up, huge move down, price move up, huge move down, price move up. Like I kind of anticipate us getting a massive red candle here, but we'll see. I'm not going to go short off of this, but I do think price is going to come down. So let's see what we got. Okay. See what price wants to do at that 757 level. Okay. breaking the little structure there. I don't mind this at all. Pull back, go long. Okay, good to fill. Close to even. Teetering here. Kind of feels like we might get, yeah. Now let's give this one some room here. If we have that big of a wick down, maybe we should get price to really roll for us. There we go. Ah, okay. Well, I got as much as I probably could out of that trade. Not back to even yet, but decent. Well, all right. The bands on the chart, are they MA high? No, they are not. They're just, that's just the Keltner channel. I need to get back to even as well. 50, yeah, message. I'm getting, it's been a ugly-ish day. I still like, I think I like a long off of this. I just don't know where I want to place my entry just yet. But we've basically done this same song and dance multiple times. So curious to know what price has in store for us here. Nice couple moves up, big candles down. So we'll see what we have here. See what we can get. We'll probably sit this one out and then try to analyze it on the next one. Really appreciate you guys jumping in the chat and coming back and forth or going back and forth with me. Helps what we got going on. Okay, so good thing we didn't go short, but damn, we could have gone long. Yeah, yeah, it's tough. This has been pretty hard to trade. Obviously, this was nice and smooth for us, which is good. This one was decent too, but yeah, kind of choppy. Not a whole lot going on just yet. We want to try and clear that 777 level. I'll go long off of this if I get a pullback here. I'll take that. That's fine. I'll accept that as our entry. Okay, now does price roll for us? These are tough ones because my gut says I don't know if price is going to get higher than up here. Really, it's 778. It looks like 75. Okay. All right. Again, we got some cool shit coming. So for today, hopefully is the last day we're going to be manually trading, just kind of not blind, but without the AI. So hopefully Monday we have that AI integration that we can use and begin our machine learning process of letting the AI signal for us. So that'll be a lot of fun for us to review and trade. But for today, you need to make some progress. All right, so low here, interesting. Price pulling up, good. I want to move my stop, but its price is moving way too fast for me to get it to a spot where we'd have some profit. And I don't want to put it right above even because we're dancing around it. So I need to see price extend and then go. And I'll put my stop here because there's just no chance that I'm going to let, yeah, I'm not going to let this position go nuke my account. We're not going to do that. So we're down, what, 214? We can get that back pretty easy. All right, so, okay, price kind of holding here. I'll take let me go 4 and I'll average in. So let's go buy right there. And then if price gets here, I'll buy another 4. there. Okay, we're in some more. Good. And then give me a stop, like right in here. Which could be a really stupid trade, but let's see what happens. I'm trying to split the difference between this big move here and then this big candle down right there. Okay, so price eats all this up. I'm okay with that. Little 14-point draw. But let's see what we have for the rest of this candle. Can price get back to somewhere up here? That'd be pretty cool. Okay. Probably should have gone like 3 entries on this one, depending on how fast price was moving. But let's see if we can get price to roll here. Okay. Down, down. Can we be inside this candle? If we can, we got a shot. Good. There's price popping. Tried it. That doesn't look great for us though. There we go. Shit. There we go. Nice trade there. Nice trade there. Okay. So going multiple, let's go 2. Let's buy right there. We'll buy another 2 over here if we get it. And I'll buy 2 more down here. Let's see. All right. And I'll go 2 more right down here if we get that. Okay, good. Not worried about it too much. I'll go right there and I'll go 1 right here. If not, we go 4 contracts and or 6 contracts and we'll trail it, micros. Do I want to trail this yet is the question. Yep. All right. $70, $60, $80, good. Nice. Good. All right. Solid. Right down to $70. All right. Probably don't want to re-enter these positions now, do I? Okay. Price really threatening to go down here. I'll live with that. Okay. Up $1, we'll take it. We were up $1. Up almost a tank of gas. Can't believe that didn't get filled. Wow. Damn, that could have been filled. We would have easily had ourselves a nice little four contract trade. Okay, there's that one. Good. I'll even put another one down here. So just going multiple entries. Reason for that is I like price dancing back and forth, and so we're going to be able to capture some nice, basically some arb here. Price is back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So we're playing the highs, playing the lows down here. We're going to be able to capture maybe not a ton of profit, but some decent wins by doing it this way. So let's go a stop here, and we'll change it from shit. Move it to 4. Good. Put a stop right here. Trail it. Hit. All right. Okay. There we go. Again, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream and subscribe. Helps build the channel. And have some fun over here. We got some cool stuff that's coming out. So, stay tuned for that. We've got some really neat stuff coming along. So hopefully Monday we'll have brand new stuff for us that we can look at, review, and trade on. So a little bit of AI, a little bit of machine learning. So it'll be a good time. All right, so I got my limits. You know what? Let's move you to like right there. Let's get in this trade. Good. Give me 2 more. You come down. I'm rooting against my own trade right now. There we go. Cool. Now every time we enter a trade lower and we're looking for a long, our overall entry moves down. Our average moves down. So if price were to extend here and hit this, our entry would move back to here. And I can't believe we got that close and didn't hit. We should be, wow. There we go. Good. And so now we're in this trade here. And if we get price to roll back into profit, we'll go stop. If we get price to move down some more, we'll enter this trade again. So let's get ready for our stop here. We'll place that. But we kind of want this to get filled, and then this will bring our average down some more. And then we should have a chance at maybe getting to a break even on this one. So let's see. Okay. So one way or another, we're going to average in lower and bring our average down, or we're going to get into profit. One of the two things will happen. And then I'll probably have to put a stop if price gets down much lower here. Okay. So we're just kind of waiting and seeing. There it is. All right, good. So if we can get price to 719, we got a shot. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if this is going to work out for me. What I'm thinking here. Let's see. I'll just let it kick. Kind of found a bottom. Let's see. See if it respects it enough to keep going. Nice. Not moving my stop just yet. Actually, I'll keep it right there. Got it. We got some room to go before we get back to even, but it's within reach. Okay, price pops, tries, runs down. Okay, good. I think we're gonna get our shit hit here though. Oh shoot, I'm gonna buy here. Whoops. Still in my buy. Okay, so we closed out most of that trade. And now we're actually still in it. Why is that the case? Was I in 5 or something? Or did I barely got filled? See if we can squeeze out a small victory here. Okay, that was no fun. Got 408. Whoops. All right, time to battle back. Limit. I'll go buy right there. And then we'll let these down here be some limit orders that can get filled and increase our position. Have a little fun with it here. Okay, now that one gets touched. Now we're in the trade with 4, 6. Okay. And then this would be 8 over here if this gets hit here. Let's see. Close. Really close. All right, now we're in with 8. So let's do this, that, and then make sure that our stop is sell stop right there. Let's see, what does price want to do? We should just be going short off of this, but we're being stupid. Oh, this isn't going to be good for us, I don't think. Okay. Yeah, okay, we were smart to exit that one. All right, so we're down 700, 650. We'll live with that. We have to, but should have just been going short. I don't know why we were fucking around with that, but heading back down to VWAP for sure. So let's see. We might get it on this candle, honestly. VWAP sitting at 29. Yeah, this is a real chance to just touch VWAP. Yeah, I don't know why we were going long off all these. Should have been going short. Probably could have be up $1,000. Whoops. Okay, waiting for a pullback here. So, all right, I'll put my stop up here. Going with the trend. Again, trying to get to VWAP here is the idea. Wanted to move my trail to even, but I just want to make sure that I give this thing enough room before we start to trail it. Before we start to trail it. But what could be the case is that we give it. You should have got back into this trade. Okay. All right. For context, this is where we are for VWAP. We're pretty close. It looks like we hit some sort of bottom. Let's see if we're going to respect that bottom or price wants to make a move. We are getting crunched right now. Let's see. Okay. Well, this isn't looking good now, is it? Close. Wow, building off VWAP like that is crazy. We decided to jump into the trend of down. We were just a couple of candles late. Close. Oh wow. If this thing got to profit and that was what our stock was, that'd be insane. Yeah, this thing's coming for me. What you 600 bucks on this one? We're gonna lose. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe. Holy cow! How much margin do we have? We have 200 bucks left. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's see what we can do with that. We blow up this eval. Let's see. So here's what my volume looks like. Okay. Damn, we just decided to join this bitch way too late. Should have been short all over here. But now we need to be looking at longs potentially. Okay. I say we just go for it. We go 12 contracts and we see what happens next. Okay. Price rolling back. Would love to see a pullback here. Good. All right. We'll trail it. We were gonna trail it. I don't think we have enough room to trail it that much. There we go. Good. 210. Good. Nice. Give us a little bit of breathing room there. A little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. Okay. Better than losing, I'll tell you that. Okay, now we're finding some resistance here. Pretty much all push recently. So let's see. We'll wait for this candle to kind of clear itself out and we'll see what happens with it. Give me 1 second here. Let me check something. Oh, that looks like a decent long though. I don't know where this one stops, but I kind of like a long off of this. Okay, there it is. Trail it. 40 bucks, 100 bucks. There's not enough space for me to place that. There we go. 200 bucks, good. All right, good. Battling back a little bit. Got about 400 bucks worth of margin. Okay. All right, now I'll be right back. All right. That was creepy. Make sure I close this all the way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Myself in here. Maybe we don't need that much wind, huh? Okay. Price coming back to VWAP here. We're trying it. But let's see how. I'm not sure. I'm not so convinced yet. Let's see. Let's close that down just a little. Okay. This is like a classic push up, pull back down. So let's see if we can get a short off of this. I was nervous to pull the trigger on it, and I should have. We could have trailed it and been probably out right here. Yeah, that's tough. Tough one. G. Not really, not really sure how I feel about this price action here. Um, uh, 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 I like price coming down. I just have these crazy high wicks that make it feel like price might be ready to stop. So, well, and then there's that. So let's see what we have. Again, I'm looking for a VWAP touch here. That's what I want. But every time we get close, we just boom, shot right back up. So let's see what we get here. Another push up here. I'll go sell right there. I think this one's going to be a little tough, but let's see. Okay. Okay, there's a nice little push. Let's get stop loss to, there we go. Take a little less money to give you a little more room. But you got to reward me, dog. There we go, a little bit. Close. Give you a little room. There we go. That's what we needed. Come on, go further. Good hit. All right, so you got $100 on that. We're battling back. Battling back. 28. Okay, so we had $100 of margin left, and we have traded it back up to 569. So, well, $400 these past couple of candles. But damn, that was the one where had we not stayed in necessarily, but given it just a little more room, we could have had a huge victory right here. So, ATR is sitting at 20. So we've got that, and I mean we're just going to go head straight to VWAP. Now I do anticipate price making a humongous push up here. So I'm going to set this next candle out. I don't know when it's coming. It could be this candle. It could be the next one. I don't know. It could be the one after the next 10. Who knows? But I'm gonna not trade at VWAP here. I want to see price do something different first before I jump into something like that. All right. Boom. Okay, price just immediately gets to VWAP. If I had a little more room, I think, in this account, I might consider going long off of this, but I'm gonna have to wait for some real hard proof that we're done going down. So for now, we wait. Okay. I'm not chasing this one, and the reason for it is, well, first I need to pull back, and we're right at VWAP. I mean, we are just right there. So VWAP's at 632, which is right here. So I'm not necessarily going to be ultra aggressive at that level. So we'll hang out for just a moment, and then we'll get back to maybe going long. I think it's going to make sense at this point, but we'll wait. We will wait. Fudge. Yeah. All right. So want to see a little bit of proof built here. So let's see if we can get price to just kind of begin to build. If we get maybe this candle to be green or something, that next candle I would anticipate getting a pullback, and then we can go from there. What did Camille say? No, I don't like high Fibonacci candles. Not a huge fan. Um, but if it works for you, it works for you. Let's see what we got here. What do we have here? If we get a pullback, I'd be game for a long, not a short. But okay, price unwilling to break that level. Okay, I would go buy right there. Like if price dropped 15 points, I'd be game. I don't think I'm going to get that touch though, which is fine with me. So the next candle, if we can get a moderate pullback, if this one stays green, then we'll have a chance. We'll have ourselves a spot. Damn. Okay, so no bottom here, nothing, straight, just run. Fine. It's not super encouraging, but it does look like price is ready to maybe make another move up. So let's be patient. Okay, heading towards that first deviation band. I'm cool with that. Now I've got this that I'm just not 100% sure on. So let's see if price can get back up here, but we have delta volume that is kind of showing me that maybe this thing is ready to come back down at some point. So kind of a slope down like this. But I think I like a long right here. Long. We'll keep it moderately tight. Entry could have been 3 or 4 seconds delayed, but I didn't want to miss out on this thing moving up if it did, which it's not. So that's exciting. Let's see, price is just screaming down. Let's see if this is going to be a reversal for us or if we're going to be stuck in a bad trade. Solid. Right there. Good. Well, at least make some money on this. How much now is the question. Keep going up. Keep going up, buddy. Nice. Nice. Wow. 500 bucks on that trade. Really, really nice. Really nice. Okay. Excellent trade there. Let's just look at some of our stats for today so far. Getting our ass kicked. Yeah, we're not trading very well. 61%. Yeah, it hasn't been very good for us. We had a big loss. We had a nice win right there, but yeah, it just hasn't been too much fun. All right, we did break that structure, which is good. So price is ready to move maybe back up. Nice big candle right there. I wonder, let's see what this candle gives us here. I have an assumption that price is going to continue to roll, but I don't know. Thanks the message. That was a nice one. It's nice when price moves up and then it doesn't do a whole bunch of jumping. It just kind of jumps up, up and up and up. It's easy to trail manually when you have that, as opposed to it's like up 7 points, down 7 points, up 10 points, down 10 points. That's really hard to trail. So some of that is me trailing it well. Some of that is just price moving in a polite manner. So that's easy for us to kind of just keep ticking it up, you know? So now I don't know if I like this spot just right yet. So I'm going to chill. We've kind of had, just look at price for a second, bunch of reds in a row, bunch of greens in a row, bunch of reds in a row, bunch of greens in a row. I'm going to chill. I don't know what I'm expecting here just yet, but I want to relax and just see. Remember, remember we talked about before? So here's this, like we kind of have this right here, right? So price was at this level before, but volume is lower than it was. So very interesting. Don't know if I want to go short off this just yet, but price at the same level but less volume kind of lets me know that maybe we are looking for a price to come back down. But we'll wait. We'll hang out and wait. Let's go with You guys kind of see what I mean here. Like we have this, and again, it'll change as price moves. And we have this. So like something's got to give. Either volume bumps and price flies, or like volume kind of chills and price rolls back down. Either way, I don't. It doesn't really matter. But I want to see what price wants to do here first before we start. Again, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream and subscribe. Let's see what we got here. Okay, price chilling, kind of what we thought before. And there's our break potentially. We've tried this before, so I'm not. ATR sitting at, let's call that 16. Holy cow! All right, so that kind of settles that, doesn't it? I don't know what to think of this candle just yet. It's probably like it's 38 points and counting, and then some. All right. So again, I don't know what to really do with this other than jump in on this little trade and go for it. So let's wait for a pullback here. Maybe we'll just go, I guess. I don't know. I genuinely have no idea what to think of this. So I'm going to jump in the trade and go with the trend. Pullback would have been nice to get and kind of chill on, but I mean, again, I have no idea what this thing wants to do. You don't just get this big candle for no reason. Hopefully we don't eat it all back up on this move here. Again, I'll give back some of that profit on the previous one to try and catch this. Thought we might just run. Nope. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. It kind of reminds me of this right here. So maybe if we hold for enough drawdown, we have a chance at going and getting profitable. I don't think that's going to be the case here for us, but we'll see. Okay, not exciting price action here just yet, but we have a chance, don't we? Really assumed we would get price to just really push off of that, but we didn't. I'm going to trail this thing like I'm winning this trade only because I don't want to take a $500 loss. And if price is only going to push up to that and then pull back, then there's not a trade we need to be in anyway. I'm going to do it nice and tightly. Or nice and loosely, I guess. Good. Wow. Could this be the one that I don't know if I'm close. Can that thing get green? Ooh. That's unreal that we're going to be out of this one, I think. Yeah. All right. No problem. No problem. We tried it. It didn't work, but we tried it. All right. So we tried to eat up that entire candle, try to go long off of it. Didn't work. Had we gotten in a couple seconds later, we probably had a chance at being profitable. I don't know how much profit we would have had, but we would have had a chance at least. So that's tough. How much margin do I have here? $700. All right. We got some room. There you go. Message. There you go. Here's our kind of our box here. See if price can do something with this. Let's see, friends. Study. Okay, kind of a leaky move down here. I don't know if that's gonna continue or not. So let's see. All right, nice. Pull back, and then we go short. Right there. Stop up here. Let's see. Nice. Damn, that was a huge, wow. I wish I'd have moved a little slower. We could have caught that. At least, I mean, not, I don't know how much we would have got, but some of it, you know. Good little trade there. Okay. Yeah, that'd have been nice to catch, just a piece of that. How much movement was that whole thing? Let's get this out of the way. 21, not bad. ATR sitting at 15. We have days, we'll have this in the summertime. Like there'll be days where the ATR like peaks at 15. So this is still unreal volume for kind of where we are today. So interesting. We have so much movement going on, but keep it moving here. Keep it moving. I think I like a long here. I'm not going to be an idiot. I know that we've had price make these moves before. So I'm going to wait for a pullback of magnitude. That could have been it. Let's pray that my patience pays off here. I kind of think like somewhere in here, somewhere in the region between this wick and where it currently wicked at, somewhere in there, like halfway. Okay, so we were right not to jump in immediately. That's good. We were wrong not to get in right here. That's bad. 4 points isn't crazy, but I don't know yet. If this thing doesn't make a move, then I'm good with it with where we are. Okay. Same little delta volume thing we had before. And there goes price. Let's see. Another pullback opportunity. It's hard for me to tell like what this thing wants to do. Buy right there. Give me some profit. Oh, all right. We had some profit there. I'm not gonna jump in here again. I want to, but I can't. I just cannot. I want to, but okay. So we've made a definite top right here. Like we know for a fact we've got nothing there. So going short here makes sense a little bit, but I don't necessarily know if I want to do that just yet. We had a nice little pullback, and then price kind of dipped a little bit, but not enough. Um, so we'll chill for a second, but this is our low, it's our high. So we'll kind of see what this wants to be. The message, how's your P&L looking right now? I was down. Oh boy, here we go. I was down to like my last $100. I'm up $700 from my bottom, almost $800 from my bottom, which is good. But I'm minus 575 for today, so that's not good. But I guess you take what you can get. Okay, here goes price. Let's see if we get like a little jot down. That'd be cool. I don't know what that was, but it needs to not happen again. Okay. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. All right. So even with this previous little piece here, not anymore, but it was. The question is, do we want to go short here? Here's our deviation band. We respected it in the past, but not. I mean, it's not like it's a uh, real level. But damn. Now, what we do know is off these big ass moves, we tend to not continue to trade it. So let's. I don't know what I want to do off this move yet. I'll watch it here, but we'll see. Okay. Sell right there. Stop up here. We got a decent spot. Let's see if this can remain a decent spot. Stop's a little tight, but if price continues to move, it's obviously it's not coming down. So let's see. Wow. Wow. That's unbelievable. All right. Well, we tried it and it didn't work. So we respected the bottom of our counter channel and the first deviation band. That sucks. So are we gonna go long off of this here? We'll take a shot at it. Long here. Put our stop somewhere down here, and we'll just kind of relax. See if we can get some of this back. What does price want to do? Not loving the way this looks right now. Fudge. I mean, good night. All right, we have $200 left in margin, so we got to be smart with it. The fuck. That is so annoying. All right. Well, you win some, you lose more. 13, 17, 18. Well, that was tough. How the fuck? We lost on both sides of that. How the fuck? How do you do that? You know? What a dickhead. Me. He's supposed to he's supposed to speak at some point. I don't know when it is, so I have no clue. It just says tentative, and it's kind of been the all day thing. Like it's just been I messed this up once where I didn't trade because of that, and didn't work out for me. We basically waited and wasted much time. But I got basically just a bunch of body blows back and forth, just long, short, long, short. So okay, just a bunch of huge candles in a row. Let's do like here to here. So about 20 points of movement in there, which is a lot. Okay, we're respecting this level damn near like it's VWAP. Touch, explode. Run back, touch, pop. So interesting kind of what's going on here. Okay, touch again. Run away. This time I think we might get lower. Yeah. Now VWAP is stupid far away, so not really worried about that getting hit just yet. We're 40 points out. Probably not going to get that in one candle, but we do have a chance at price rolling back down here, and then that could be something. So we'll see what that looks like for us. Okay. Okay, so price just hanging out. Let's see what price wants to do with that. Okay, so nothing yet. Watch out, bro. Okay. Price is fighting this low, but it's not also really doing much on the upside either. So let's see what we have here. All right. That's convincing. Do we get lower than the low over here or no? If we don't, then I just kind of suspect that we're not really, this isn't a serious move. It's a lot of movement, but it's not serious. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream, like the video, and subscribe. We are growing steadily, slowly, steadily. Okay. Ordinarily, I would like this trade, but I need to see price kind of separate from this bottom right here, these couple wicks right there. And right now, we just aren't. So it'd be really dangerous to go long off of this because we're going to have a ton of drawback or drawdown if we get into a short, if that trade were to end up working. Okay, so 13, 11 points there. It's quite a bit for what we hope to be is a quick move. Okay, so bottom, 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 basically. Now my delta volume says we're still going down. So that's interesting. I've got lows over here, but I've got price making these bottoms here. So I would love to go long off of this. I just don't know that I'm convinced that we're done going down yet. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. Try to get one more trade in here before we are out. Got a little bit of room left, not a lot. Okay, price is trying. I just want to see price break out of this region right here. So that one yellow line and then this one right here. We get that little break, we'll be good. It'd be worth it for me to stick around and see what happens here. But we are leaking down, so okay, push. Really, it's more like that. That's the previous wick, current wick. Okay, solid. Windy. It's tough. I don't. Some of these are when you see price action like this, where you got a bunch of wicks on both sides. It's just price kind of confusion. So you really don't have. There's not a whole lot of movement from this wick right here down to price right here. That's not a ton, to be exact. From 87 down to 80, so 7 points, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles now of movement. So anytime you have price not moving a whole lot, yet we have a same color candle in a row, we've got buyers stepping in. Now that doesn't mean price can't go down further like this. It just means that we're gonna have to deal with a lot of wicks, and that can be tough to trade. That can be really really tough to trade. So let's see what comes of it. Just not super convinced right now. Don't worry, by the time I get convinced, it'll be too late. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay, VWAP. Still not in love with these positions just yet. So just kind of relaxing, but I mean, we are trending towards VWAP here. But it looks like we could have some buyers stepping in here, ready to push price back up. What are the markets up to today overall? Up a little, not much. Bitcoin down a little, not much. Ethereum stinks. Natural. Tesla, MSTR is up 4%. Coinbase is up. Tesla up. Yeah, I don't know, folks. I would love to take a trade right here, but I'm not convinced that we're really getting a ton of price movement. Kind of feels like we're getting to the bottom of this bad boy. All right. I'm not against going long off of this. I'm really not. I want to see maybe a little bit more price movement on this candle here, and then I would be ready to go long off of that. So let's see if we get it. If we don't, we don't, but let's see if we do. Okay. Kind of found a bottoming. Our delta volume here found a bottom, moving back up, which is good. Nice. Again, VWAP deviation band right here, this green line right there. So looking at that as maybe a price target as we've danced at it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row. All right, here we go. Let's jump to trade of 8, see if we can get a pullback, and we'll be off to the races. Okay, that's the pullback I'm going to go with. Let's see if I worked out for me. Close. Damn. All right, we got stopped out. Hit our limit on this count. Fuck. Tried it, did not work. So it might just have been early. I'm not sure. Wasn't what I was anticipating happening. Was price pulling all the way back off of this? That's tough. That's a tough one. Tough way to end the day. Yesterday we ended the day on a nice win. Today loss. Tough. But all right. Well, we'll call it there. We have Monday. I should have all my AI stuff set up, so we'll get some signals from ChatGPT. We'll use that. We'll get those and trade those specifically, and then probably during the whole week, and then the week after that, we'll probably have our machine learning ready to go. So we'll learn from the signals that we're going to get. Very excited about this. It's coming in due time, but taking a little bit to get set up. So hopefully over the weekend I can get it ready to rock and roll. Get a couple signals on Bitcoin over the weekend, and then Monday we'll hit the ground running with it. So I'll be excited to demo that. Come back Monday 9 a.m. Central, and we'll hit the ground and get going. But until then, have a good weekend. Stay safe on the markets and in real life, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great one. Peace.